You've heard it a million times before. Time is money. But how much money is your company's time really worth? How much time is lost in designing and assembling your own linear motion solutions? The deceptiveness of low-cost components like belts, bolts, ball bearings, and extrusions often mask the over 100-hour time investment of businesses in developing their own linear bearings and actuators. This hidden cost can increase a seemingly cheap solution significantly. Rollon Corporation has spent the last 40 years designing, engineering, and manufacturing linear bearings and actuators. Let us be the experts. Just tell us how heavy it is and how fast you need it to move. Rollon's simplified single part number solutions will dramatically cut down your overall time investment.